If you rent a hospital bed for your home with home care hire, you will be in safe hands. One of our highly experienced engineers will deliver and safely install the bed in a room of your choosing. The equipment is brought into the home in parts, and we will perform the installation and a stringent set of safety checks. The bed comes with a memory foam mattress and side rails for both sides of the bed, which can be raised or lowered. Our standard bed has the full range of movements of a hospital bed. The height can be adjusted parallel to the ground, the backrest raised to the seated position, and the bed can be raised at the knee and tilted also. These movements are all controlled with an electric handset. Our engineer will provide a full demonstration of how the equipment works. We can also provide an air mattress and pump as an upgrade, and an overbed table or grab bar. Home care hire, supporting safe recovery at home with best-in-class medical equipment.